Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we will be expecting this week on GBP USD. So as we can see, we will be expecting this sell. So our bias on GBP USD is to the downside. I mean, if you take a look at this, a double top is probably forming. As you can see, this is a first touch here. It's dropped. This is another touch. Then we should be expecting another drop. So there's a likelihood that a double top is literally forming at this level. But when you look at it at the overall movement, you see that head and shoulder pattern is currently playing out. This is the left shoulder here, right? You can see it. Here is the right shoulder. And now this this is the head. Sorry, this is the left shoulder. This is the head. As you can see, currently the right shoulder is currently playing out, so we should be expecting a drop anytime soon on GBP USD, which the sell will be massive. But you need to be very careful before you go ahead and take that sell, because GBP USD is likely to push up one more time to test this resistance level. So be careful. That sell probably Tuesday, Wednesday, that sale should start. But if in case it breaks above, then our bias will change. So let us keep our bias flexible. Our bias is still to the downside. That is what we are expecting. That is our projection on GBP USD. But if in case it breaks above and it continues to push up, it means we are going to change our bias to the upside for GBP USD for the week. Okay.